Meet the smallest monkey in the world, the Pygmy Marmoset. An adult will fit in the palm of your hand. Being so tiny makes it hard to know who's friend, foe, or food. But at least they can tap into a food source right beneath their feet. With sharp teeth, they gouge away the bark to create miniature wells that fill up with delicious, sugary sap. On a big tree, there may be over 1,000 of them. Easily enough for a growing family. Good thing. There are new additions to the troop, each the size of a ping-pong ball. Marmosets nearly always give birth to twins. Both parents share babysitting duties, and even the older siblings pitch in when they're not fighting. So is hanging around in the middle of the tree. It's too dangerous below. And way too crowded above.